मैं तो पिया से नैना लड़ाई रे, घर नारी कबाड़े कहे सो कहे, घर नारी कबाड़े कहे सो कहे, मैं तो
How you feel when you're with your gang?
very chill.
These concerts come in your plate. How you take that? Because you've been traveling and then you do background singing, everything. How you balanced all this?
Every concert has a story. Every concert I've done till date has a story involved.
కాలమే కంపించెలా
Great.
మరలా వచ్చెను నాయకుడు గగనం చీల్చే విద్యుద్ఘాతం శిఖరం తానే నిలిచే పంతం పోరాడటమే తన సిద్ధాంతం లొంగడు వీడు యముడికి సైతం ఇక మొదలెడదామా
No, it's awesome. Get an opportunity to have your own band. What name have you kept?
We
So the
all
name
we-
should be Harika
Yeah, I
Narayan
mean-
Band.
I think that's a banger name than just a band name so I think yeah
If you get more of like Bollywood stuff, Bollywood Hindi music, would you like to like give more time for that?
I would love to do Bollywood, Hollywood, French,
can do anything,
Spanish,
I know.
anything. Music got no boundaries.
जरा जरा रहता है आज तो मेरा दिन बदन प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर दे अपनी बाहों
Well, today something trending going to happen because I have a full of Josh, a gang of stars, gang of music. When it comes to gangs, it means a big, big gang. I mean, this is the first interview where you're actually going to discover something variety of music. You must have seen Telugu, Tamil, but today we are going to experience and put some masala. Well, you'll come to know very soon in this interview. Well, I have very well-known singer, Telugu, Tamil, I think everybody know her. She don't need any kind of introduction. But yes, this is the interview where she has come with her team. So Harika Narayan is a very well-known name. No need to give any kind of introduction. So Harika, I want to start with this. How you feel when you're with your gang? What goes into your mind when you stand with your gang? A gang of boys, trendy boys, handsome boys.
Hi Neha. Thank you so much, first of all, for having us. And yes, when with team, it's always super musical, energetic, all pumped up, very chill.
So when you meet this gang, you know, where you met me, you must be having some of your journeys, some of your experiences, some of your, I think, some moments are there. Or yaar, hum aise mile the. We met like this. So would you like to say when you met him, or you can give an introduction one by one and then I'll catch them?
Sure.
Huh.
So we have Jaikar.
Okay. When you met him?
Okay, so this is my first collaboration with Jay
Hmm.
on this show. So I'm performing tomorrow at Prism. So
Okay.
we all are performing, and this is the first collaboration me and Jay together.
Hmm.
So we know each other for a while now, but yeah, now we are playing together and pretty cool. He's a crazy musician. I really love the way he plays the keys and
Okay.
yeah. He music produces. He produces the music and he plays the keys and
Wow.
yeah, he's
So when you
amazing.
meet the next man?
So we have KV.
Okay.
He is a vocalist.
Okay.
I love his voice,
Hmm.
and he also plays the bass guitar.
Hmm.
And yeah, we did a lot of shows together, and we have done couple of international tours
Okay.
before.
Okay.
So yeah, we sung together, we
Where you
played
met
and all.
these guys? Where you
Hyderabad.
met? In Hyderabad.
Yeah,
In concerts only.
we all are from Hyderabad here,
Okay, but you
except
all
for
met.
Boy.
Okay. From where is he?
Boy is from India.
Okay.
Good one, actually.
India. Okay.
Boy is from everywhere.
Okay.
You name the place.
He keeps traveling, I think.
Kolkata, Hyderabad, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi,
Great.
Mumbai, everywhere.
Okay. So your name is?
It's Boy Durjo.
I need
Boy
to know.
Durjo.
God, she's like giving a mic
No,
to you.
I know,
How
it's a-
smart she is.
It's a tough name.
Wow. It's
Yeah.
So how you met this beautiful lady?
So we've known each other for a while. I think I've met her for one of our very first international tours.
Yes.
We traveled Europe together for the very first time. It was
Okay.
my first Europe tour, so as hers.
Hmm.
And we had an amazing small team to do it. And I
Okay.
think post that, the journey has been endless. Like, by now we've traveled so many countries together, traveled around the country, played music together with different teams. But thankfully, I've been associated with her long enough to know on and off stage chemistry.
So how
is
many
really good.
years now together now?
It's been 2 years.
2 years.
2 years together with her.
How about you, young man, young boy?
I'm Kartikeya.
Okay.
So this is the first time I'm collaborating with Harika Akka.
Okay.
I have seen her on like Instagram, on TV, and
She's famous,
she's
no
a
doubt.
super inspiration. I used to listen to her songs, and when I got the opportunity to collaborate with her, I felt really happy.
Hmm.
And this is gonna be the first show I'm gonna be collaborating with her.
So when
and
you met her first time, is it you were nervous, and how were you convinced?
Yeah,
her,
I
I want
was-
to be part of your team.
I
You
was a bit-
convinced her.
I was a bit nervous, but then she's so nice, she's so kind and warm that we could easily fit into the team.
Have
Anyone
you
could easily
impressed her
fit.
with the song? Because see, she's a music lover.
Yeah, yeah.
So she must have asked you, what do you know about music? Or she said, okay, sing anything. She asked you?
No, she's not like that. She's super kind. She was so nice. She's super kind. The first time I met her, I was so scared. I was a bit nervous,
He was scared. Okay.
but then she's so kind and warm. Then we could easily fit into the group, and I've had so much fun all through the rehearsals, and I can't wait for the show tomorrow.
Yes.
And I'm super excited.
So, Hatika, a question to you. When these concerts come in your plate, how you take that? Because you've been traveling and then you do background singing, everything. How you balanced all this? How it goes?
For me, every concert has a story.
Hmm.
Every concert I've done till date has a story involved. No one knows about, and how we all made up a team, how we all jammed, how we all coordinated, and how much hush push we have done.
Yeah.
Roller coaster of a journey before we actually present. So people can just see a couple of hours that we are performing on stage, but then only we will know what exactly we are doing on stage and how much story we had to build up for us to be there and do what we are doing.
Tomorrow is your concert. So, what's the plan? Like, you always go according to the place or you go according to the audience? Something must be brief. Like, so tomorrow kya hone wala hai? What is going like? What exactly your pocket will be open for?
So we always make audience go with us.
Okay. They demand, right? They
Yes,
demand. Okay.
yes, we set the mood and audience join along.
Okay.
Always, yeah, it always works.
I know it's a very tough question, your favorite song, because you know, being a singing so many songs and then somebody asks you, what's your favorite song? Because full hard work goes for every song.
Yeah.
So, would you like to reveal Hindi? I'll ask Hindi favorite song.
Maybe you should attend concert tomorrow and
We
see
will do
what.
that. We will do that. We will do that.
So, and you can see that every song is our favorite song,
Okay.
and that's why the song is there.
Okay.
Yeah.
So-
Maybe I can give a glimpse of a song that
Okay.
one of my favorite songs that I'm performing tomorrow.
oh, okay.
मैं तो पिया से नैना लड़ाई रे, 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 घर नारी कबाड़े कहे सो कहे, घर नारी कबाड़े कहे सो कहे, मैं तो पिया से नैना लड़ाई रे, मैं तो पिया से नैना लड़ाई रे.
Wow. I mean, forward will be very small. So I'll give you all chance, you know. She's capturing the everything, you know. I want you. You must be her fan, right?
Yeah, obviously.
Right now, also you're a fan.
He's the youngest of all,
Okay.
and he's very enthusiastic. He got the spark, and you know,
I can see that.
very much enthusiasm he shows while learning and singing and everything. Got beautiful voice.
I can see that.
Yeah.
So if I'm giving you an opportunity to ask her that if your favorite song, which all-time favorite of her, what you want that? Like she can sing for you. Her all-time favorite.
This
He will-
come
he will
on, this
demand, he
is
will
this
demand.
is.
Huh?
So you're making me sing 4 more songs.
Oh my
Is that what you're saying?
No,
doing
they
here?
they are your team, darling. So they
Ask them to sing. No, they can
will,
do it.
They will come to that point. So something, because he is your fan also. I can see that in his face.
Sure.
What is the favorite song of her?
Okay.
Okay, let him sing your favorite.
No,
Chalo,
no. Because you asked for a favorite song.
Huh?
My favorite song of
Of her.
Harika Akka's. There's so many songs of hers that I really like, but one of my favorite songs is Yedu Rangulavana from 18
You want to
Pages.
sing?
No, she'll sing. She's the better singer, obviously.
Chalo,
So
kar
she'll
dete
sing.
hain. Not okay. I'll not give them 4 of them. Just a request, because that will be a maybe favorite song for all the fans also. So
It's
let's
one
do
of
it.
my favorite songs as
That's-
well, the
so you can
which
sing.
I rendered.
Okay.
Yeah.
So please, we should be privileged.
ఏడు రంగుల వాన రెండు కళ్ళల్లోనా కారణం ఎవరంటే అక్షరాల నువ్వే ఇన్ని నాళ్ళుగా ఉన్నా ఇప్పుడే పుడుతున్నా కారణం ఎవరంటే ఖచ్చితంగా నువ్వే మబ్బుని మెరుపుని తరిపిన వానల్లే పెదవికి నవ్వుకి పరిచయం నీ వల్లే చిగురుపై చినుకులే ఎగిరితే ఎంతందం మనసుకు జ్ఞాపకం దొరికితే ఆనందం.
Wow. You taken to us on other journey.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for taking his demand. So I just wanted to feel that pulse. I can actually feel the pulse of being into the gang. So most of the word favorite plays, or I would like to know one by one, you can share it. The favorite concert you have loved about it, and what's your plan in the future? Like that you really enjoyed being together. Who's ever wanted to be
So the best one yet for me is like we've toured Australia together.
okay?
So the City Adelaide was the best for me. So I liked that performance a lot.
Okay.
And basically I like her energy. She's like so gracious.
That
on
makes you
stage.
keep going.
Yeah, absolutely. I mean that's an inspiration, right? So that's what makes me going. And future plans, I don't know. It's just.
If I
clueless.
ask you, then she will kill me actually. You know?
Thanks.
That if you demand some songs, you like her English songs or any of your favorite,
I like-
you can say. Will not tell her to sing.
Yeah,
her
sure,
favorite,
right?
yeah.
That way.
Otherwise, she'll kill me.
So she kill all of us also.
Yeah, exactly.
What's
So,
your favorite song?
Ravana, there's a song called Ravana.
Yes.
It's a
That was actually.
so I like that
I don't
song a lot.
understand Telugu, but I hear her songs. She's fab.
Yeah, absolutely. So that's the song that I like.
Have you tried to learn her songs?
Yeah, we are actually doing that right now. in the
So you
Jam Pad.
sing
Which song?
her favorite song.
What's your favorite?
Any favorite song he can sing? I give you an opportunity.
So I really like he's an amazing performer. He sets this energy on stage like anything. The way he performs, the groove he gets on, everything is amazing. So one of the favorite songs that he performs and I love enjoying. I just want to witness and I just enjoy is Vikram. That
Okay,
song.
do that. Come on.
Fine. Let's go, baby.
Come on.
Thank you. Alright. కాలమే కంపించెలా
Great.
మరలా వచ్చెను నాయకుడు
Awesome.
ఒక్కడే ఇద్దరు కదా రాముడు మరియు రాక్షసుడు ఇతడో జ్వలనం ఎదలో ధరణం గతమే శిశిరం బ్రతుకే సమరం గగనం చీల్చే విద్యుద్ఘాతం శిఖరం తానే నిలిచే పంతం పోరాడటమే తన సిద్ధాంత లొంగడు వీడు యముడికి సైతం ఇక మొదలెడదామా
No, it's awesome.
That's amazing.
Great, great, great. I mean, I must appreciate you have a great team, man.
I
Full
know.
of flavors, and you had a great time, I think. So, what's the name of your team? What do you name them? Like, if together, your name is a brand, but when they all come together, what do you name them? Together. Is there any band name you would like to give, or you always call for it? Or you want to have a dream to keep a band name? If you get a
So
chance.
every one of us are here. We are like freelancers. We do our own solo shows. Everyone is an individual performer over here, and when we team up, when we come together, so that's how we share all the energies and all the journeys together, and then just blast it on stage. That's how we have
But in the
always
future,
been.
if you get an opportunity to have your own band, what name have you kept? That I will keep that name. You must be having that dream.
So
Just think, because you're doing international shows, you never know, like, you know, a permanent band.
Okay.
So then what's name you would like to keep? If
I'll answer for her. I mean,
do that, chalo, help her.
so since she's been traveling around, it's been a while. Like
Yeah.
before even meeting her, she's been doing these shows, and it takes a lot of time to build up a brand,
Yes.
right? So even as we being freelancers and friends who are also part of her journey and supporting her to build what she has dreamed, which is her name, Harika Narayan,
Yeah.
how people around the country knows her.
Yes.
So I think we all also want her. If tomorrow in the future we go again toward the same countries, those most exotic location on the planet, for those people to know her also as Harika Narayan, and we being part of that whole journey is that's all like we
So
all
the name
dream.
should be Harika
Yeah, I
Narayan
mean,
Band.
I think that's a banger name than just a band name. So I think and most people know that. So
Yes.
it's easy for us to also tell people, hey, you know what, we play along with Harika.
Yes, yeah.
So yeah, that's I think
That's
it
an
should be
honor, right?
that's an honor to just know a big artist as a friend also. Yeah,
that's
and not
true.
just an artist on stage and you leave and you go out. Yeah.
So Harika, what's the future projects you would like to know? I mean, see so many good compliments. Otherwise, they don't give, you know, but you come to know what they have in their heart for you.
No, they have always, every one of us, everyone, we have been together in lot of, we had a share of our journeys, and everyone shared very positive energy,
I
and
can
we
see
always like, there's no negativity. It's just music,
Music is a
Hangama,
positive thing.
chill.
That's a positive thing. So what's the future projects?
So we have a couple of shows coming ahead, and then hopefully, we will be on a tour
Okay.
in a near future.
Okay.
A tour is happening, and yes, pretty excited about it. And we wanted to do a couple of original songs.
Okay.
Yeah, that's also in the list that we are like, it's releasing very soon also.
And Harika, I wanted to know your fan moment. When you have your fan moment, are you waiting for that? Of course, you'll get your fan moment anytime you want to meet some of your role model and you met and you got a compliment.
So, fan moment for me, I can't really say one particular moment, but then every single time someone from audience come to me,
Okay.
and then if they say that, I touch them, I touch their emotions
Okay.
with my music, with my voice. When someone gets emotional about it, the way they express it to me, it's not just you're amazing or you got a good voice, or not like that, but it's very heartfelt. Whenever someone comes from audience and just says that I have touched their emotion with my voice,
Wow.
or if there were few incidents where they were in tears, they were they were overwhelmed, and they were in joy, and they were expressing their happiness. Those moments are the best for me to cherish, because it's not easy to touch someone's emotions
I know.
without even knowing them. So only music got that power.
But I think you must have also got the same experience in your life, that one song has touched your heart and you start.
Oh, not one,
That-
a lot of
that-
songs.
But any singer you really have wanted to meet, or you loved being to be with them, or like a fan moment? You don't have. Maybe some role model.
The
You
very
must be
first
following
fan
from your
moment for me, the very first fan moment that I had and that I experienced it was with SPB sir.
Okay, great.
Yeah, SPB sir. That was one of my the very first time I met him, or I was on stage along with him. When he was singing, I witnessed him live singing live, and I experienced him giving tips and teaching things. So it's a blessing. Yeah.
So when it comes to Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, you can do everything. So in future, if you get more of like Bollywood stuff, Bollywood Hindi music, would you like to like give more time for that?
I would love to do Bollywood, Hollywood, French,
can do anything,
Spanish,
I know.
anything. Music got no boundaries.
Boundaries.
Yeah.
So you can give a voice for like Hindi.
I would
Bollywood.
love to do I would love to explore. I am all about, like, most of the time, the whole journey of my music thing that started is with exploring and experimenting. The very first music video that I have done was 9 Impressions, so which was all about exploring different vocal styles, singing styles. So yeah, I love experimenting and exploring all
So
the time.
would you like to
Anytime.
share a compliment being given by a big star like Mahesh Babu, Junior NTR, Allu Arjun? You have met. It's not a big thing for you. So they have actually something, give you a compliment, or a big actress. Oh, you did a great job, or you also enjoyed that song. Would you like to share that?
I didn't really interact directly with any actor
Okay.
or actress, but then a couple of songs that I've sung, Sarkaru Aripata,
Yeah.
Thi Talapati.
Mhm.
So I really got like list of compliments for that.
Of course, you
Yeah.
all. So I will end up with the because I think you have to do rehearsals. That energy needs to get. They're all watching when she will get over. I can read eyes, you know. He's laughing. See?
That's cool.
So just. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Don't worry.
We're almost there, guys.
Come on, you should enjoy your first interview with Harika. You know, she's been going in the studios and doing a lot of interviews. But with you guys, it's a great thing. It will be a
Yeah.
memory video for you, remember?
Definitely, because just more than art is everyone is a very good friend of mine.
Yes.
So we share pure friendship, and music is more than anything for every one of us. We are very much like, sharing the passion, sharing the same kind of goal together, and coming all together and doing it. I'm much grateful, blessed, and very happy.
So, and this is the last. Obviously, a singer cannot be denied for this because audience will want you to hear more and more. So, just I'll give you one line and you have to just complete. So, when Junior NTR comes into your mind, what one songs goes in your mind?
నిద్దర్ నీరిసేసి రెప్పల్ని తెరిసాను, నువ్వొచ్చే దారుల్లో సూపుల్నే పరిసాను, ఒంటెత్తు బండెక్కి రారా, సగిలేటి డొంకల్లో పదిలంగా రారా, నడిసేటి నా మనసు గురుతొచ్చి రారా, చూసేటి
Wow.
పెనివీటి ఎన్ని నాళ్ళైనాదో నేను చూసి కళ్ళారా, ఎన్నెన్ని నాళ్ళైనాదో నేను చూసి కళ్ళారా.
Wow. One Alu Arjun and the song comes in your mind.
Allu Arjun.
When you just think of him, what one song runs in your mind?
When I think of Allu Arjun, dance runs in my mind.
Okay.
Yeah, but don't ask me to dance, please.
Okay, no, I'll not do that. I'll not do that. I'll not do that. So no song for him. Nothing.
Now
Pushpa,
you'll
Pushpa,
make this
Pushpa.
one as this. You know what? Harika spoke about Allu Arjun.
It's okay.
Please
That's
don't
good.
do
We
that.
love for his dance. He's a stylish star, right? Okay. Third, for all your gang. When these gang all come together, what one song you can come together and just blast it together? I want you to all together.
सारे
A
जहाँ से
friendship.
अच्छा हिंदुस्तान
A,
हमारा.
a friendship song, you know. So you can all together one by one and end up. A friendship song. You are friends, right?
Yeah.
So this song
I
goes.
think real friends don't have a theme friendship song.
Okay.
We based on feelings and emotions and
Good.
experiences. So I think that's the sweeter part of this.
You
gang.
sing, yeah. Your voice is
I
really
wish
great.
if I
Please
would
do
have
that.
sang, then these two guys wouldn't have been hiring. So I think both of us are safe
We'll
because.
give you a stage. We
Yeah.
love that you should start and sing something.
I
Your
wish-
voice is great.
Oh
Full of
yeah,
energy.
I know, full of energy, but I've tried, but it just doesn't work. So I think musicians, में हम लोग
You
हैं
can
यार.
start.
Yeah, but I think we can all
He
hum
sang-
one.
He sang so well.
Yeah, I mean, we are all hired for our respective roles in life, and I think we've been doing justice.
So we'll
to
give
that.
you a chance, okay? What's
Which
your
song?
love song and you can go ahead.
Love song.
I mean, whatever you feel like.
अरे वो
Freedom
कौन सा
is
गाना था
there.
अपने यूरोप में जहाँ मैं हिंदी में लाइन बोलता हूँ जरा जरा ओली था क्या?
Support कर दो,
Yeah.
please.
थोड़ा गा दो यार एक लाइन.
I-
Please, we'll all start.
Okay.
And after that, I promise I'll end this interview.
Cool. यूं ही बरस बरस खाली घटा बरसे, हम यार भीग जाए इस चाहत की बारिश में.
मैं खुली खुली लटों को सुलझाऊं ये अपनी उंगलियों से तू तो है इसी बारिश में.
Come on, do it. Do it, man. Okay.
Na 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 na
जरा जरा महकता है महकता है आज तो मेरा तन बदन मैं प्यासी हूँ मुझे भर ले अपनी बाहों में.
Thank you so much, all of you together. You waited and gave time, especially to her. She's been very good the way you respond to me. So I think more interviews in the future.
Of course, of course. Let's do
We'll
it.
do that. We'll
Yes.
do that. Thank you so much. So for more updates, keep watching iDream. Till then, goodbye.